Alright, check this wild clothing optional nudist beach spot in the beautiful Swedish forest of Lake Flaten. It is 5th of August, lunchtime, 12:40 p.m. and I am out for yet another beach adventure in the most beautiful Swedish nature. So today I opted for this spot as I wasn't sure if there will be sun or not, as usually I come here during lunchtime in the autumn, but now the sun is a bit more higher up and it's not, there are also lots of trees as this is facing north and it has sun not so much during the day and even less during the summer months, but the color of the water from this spot looks absolutely stunning, and it is a bit hard to get from the main road as you have seen in the beginning of this video, but it's definitely worth it. And to get here it took me 9 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike that you can see over there. I think it was around 22 minutes easy ride. And yeah, it's time to swim again in Flaten, as last week I was running to Uden, which is on the other side of the lake. To there it was around 8 kilometers to run, so not so far away from that spot I am now. And I can see that also on the main public beach Norra Flaten, but there are not so many people today. I wonder why. Well, it is a Tuesday, but the school is still out until 18th of August. But it was raining earlier this morning and they were announcing some kind of cyclone that will be coming today, but it already came through Stockholm early in the morning while I was sleeping. It woke me up, so I closed the window of my bedroom. Alright, 21 degrees Celsius in the air, still warm. And maybe tomorrow I will go to the sea as I have a bit of sore legs today. I have been on this spot, I think last time it was sometime around May, and off we go with the thermometer to measure the temperature more decently. As I'm showing you more of this beautiful nature in Flaten. My favorite lake in Sweden, for sure. Okay, maybe not Sweden, but Stockholm, as I haven't been to all of Sweden. But for Stockholm region, definitely, I have been to at least hundreds of different lakes. And this is very nice, super clean water, so many different spots, also public beach as well. If you wish to, there is a jumping tower from there. And but last but not least, this beautiful nature that you can be in, as it is basically clothing optional on this type of spots in Sweden overall. The water is so inviting, look at that. I mean, yeah, it's so beautiful and so clean and so fresh, and my water thermometer is going away, but that's okay, as I will also swim for half an hour after this vlog. I did that yesterday as well. Okay, so here we have a bit of slippery slope, but I am going in anyway, so it's very slippery. Let's see if I can a bit go better from this end. Oh, it's so slippery. Okay, ready, set, go! I definitely need to learn how to dive. I know only how to jump. But yes, the north side of Lake Flaten. Enjoying a nice sunny Tuesday, despite the forecast that it's gonna be cloudy and rainy. So you should not always believe the forecast. 23 degrees Celsius in Lake Flaten. It is, which is perfect indeed. And I think later I'm gonna swim all the way to the other end and back, like 2 times actually, to make it half an hour. And I think it's around 250 meters one way, so it's gonna be amazing. Beautiful, so beautiful. Amazing 5th of August out on Lake Flaten, and I will be chilling here a bit and swimming and enjoying the sun while we have it. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Lake Flaten, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.